How to add the shattered glass effect on the video you're editing, or even the shard type video overlay effect like this here using InShot video editor app. As always, make sure you have the latest update. It is 2025 November at the time of this video, so be sure to have the latest update to get access to all these effects here. To add either one of these type of glass shattered effects, go to where it says effect here. Then you're going to go to this option here where it says effect. Now that you're here, to the top area, you have the different categories. Just browse over until you see glass. This one right here. And this is one of the later updates for the video effects. So make sure, again, you have the latest update for InShot. Now that you're here, the free ones are the shatter and the shard one. So tapping on shatter will give you this here. And you'll see this here. You can expand the duration of how long that effect will play. And also, if you go back to effect, go back to glass, you'll see the shard one here, and just press the check mark here and set how long you want to play. And once you have them both here, you can choose which one is right for your video here. And I'll go ahead and press play now. You'll see that this is the shatter effect here, and you also have the shard effect like this here. And it's up to you to decide which one is best for you. And that's that. Like and sub.